Today we're going to take a close and in-depth look at the small capable amplifier, otherwise known as the Chordette Scamp. Now, the small Chordette amplifier has got some basic integrated functions like a volume control. We also have a digital to analog converter on board, which is why we have a USB cable connected to the Scamp today, and that is connected to our touchscreen monitor, which is being fed by a Chordette Mogul. So pop on a bit of Plan B, crank up the volume.
I remember when I was young, and so were you. All of the things we both said we would never do. But look at how times have changed, baby. You know I can never say no, baby.
So we're not giving the Scamp an easy ride today. We're powering a pair of B&W 804s.
Underneath the setting sun, in an ocean that is churning,